Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Before we start with our video tutorial, I would like to say thank you very much for my subscriber for following our video tutorials, and to all my new subscriber, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial, we will write a very simple Java program that will solve simple interest, that will ask the user to give the principal amount, the time or number of years, and then the rate. Before we start writing the code, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started, guys. So I have here in my Eclipse, so IDE, and then we select new class, and then we have here the title will be simple interest. Click the finish button. So here import java.util. We can declare a series of variables here: double, principal, rate, and time value. Sorry guys, I have cough. Double, simple interest. Okay, so we declare the scanner here. Input equals new scanner system.in system.out print line. Simple interest rate solver in Java. Give principal amount. Principal equals next input next double. Enter give number of years. Will be representing by a variable time value. Sorry. Next, we will ask the user to give the rate. Enter give the interest rate. Simple, we can perform computation. Principal / time value rate by 100. The simple interest rate is simple plus okay and program. Okay, so here in our program, simple interest rate solver in Java, I declare a series of variables. And then here the title of our program. In this portion of our code, it will ask the user to give the principal amount, the number of years, and the interest rate. In this portion, the simple equals principal multiply by time value and rate divided by 100 will compute the simple interest rate. And then after which we have here the display. It will display the interest rate here. Now after we have done, guys, the next step that I will do is to run the program. Let's say for example the user will borrow $20,000. So in simple interest rate solver in Java, 20,000. Okay, there is some corrections that I forgot. Let us run again. 20,000, number of years, let's say 2 years, and then interest rate will be 10%. So we have the right result, 4,000. The simple interest rate is $4,000. So it means that if the customer or the client will pay for the loan, the total amount including the interest will be $24,000. So we have done already, guys, writing, testing, and running our program, simple interest rate solver in Java. I hope that you learned something new in our video tutorial that will added additional experience and exposure to you how to use or how to write programs in Java programming language. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Republic of the Philippines. Says, until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.